Perth landlords need to be aware of some significant changes coming to the Residential Tenancies Act sometime this year. Whether you're planning to become a property investor or you're already an established investor with many years of experience under your belt, you can't afford to ignore these changes. I'm Vera Zhang from Stage Property, and in today's video, I wanted to bring you up to speed on these important changes. Back in May 2023, the Labour government announced it would be making some major overhauls to the Residential Tenancies Act. Given it was introduced in 1987, it was decided it needed some significant updates, focusing on enhancing tenant rights, defining landlord duties more clearly, and making the processes for bond returns and resolving disputes more efficient. So, what exactly are these changes? Well, the key reforms are: you'll only be able to raise rents once a year, down from twice a year currently. In most cases, pets will be allowed in rentals, although landlords will be able to appeal against it with the Commissioner for Consumer Affairs, assuming they have reasonable grounds to refuse. I guess that means no horses in multi-story apartments anymore. Tenants will be allowed to make minor alterations to the property, and landlords can only refuse for specific reasons. The process of bond returns will be more streamlined to make it easier for both parties, and the issues will be resolved by the Commissioner for Consumer Affairs. An additional $4.5 million will be allocated to bolster tenant advocacy and education services. Given the current state of Perth's rental market, this seems necessary for both sides of the equation. And lastly, Western Australia is set to eliminate the practice of rent bidding, where landlords and property managers could urge tenants to pay more than the listed rent. The new legislation aims to ensure fairness and openness in the rental market by removing undue pressure and extra fees. There's a few more details around these changes I won't go into in this video, but the items I mentioned are the main changes being proposed for now. I don't have a specific date for when the law will change, but the government has said 2024, so we'll just have to keep an eye out for when it happens. In the meantime, if you have questions about this or anything else real estate related, please feel free to call the team at Stage Property on 08 9325 9888, and we'll be happy to help. I'm Vera Zhang signing off for today. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to receive more real estate related videos like this, please like or follow Stage Property on social media.